Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok video under review issue. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If one of your TikTok videos goes under review, then the first thing to do is to wait patiently for almost a week and check if the problem fixes automatically. If it does not, then the next thing to do is to follow the steps and report the problem of video under review to TikTok. Tap open your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside your TikTok homepage, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to open up your profile for TikTok. From the profile page, tap the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner. In the pop-up displayed beneath, tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find Report a Problem option under Support. Tap it on as soon as you spot it. Select an existing issue from the options under Popular or Topics. You can choose any option, but in my case, I'm going to choose Account and Profile. From this page, tap on Editing Profile. Select Other from the sub-menu. Under Is Your Problem Resolved? Tap No. Under Report a Problem, tap on Need More Help. Now type in your problem in details into the text box. After you're done, tap Report at the bottom. Your report will be submitted right away. After your report has been submitted and received by TikTok, TikTok acknowledges it, and then further process will be carried out through email. That is the only way you can fix TikTok video under review issue. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.